Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you how we started our free range chicken. We started our free range chicken by chance. For the reason that at the start of the pandemic last March 8, 2020, 3 days before the lockdown here in Mindanao, I was at the farm. And then I realized that there are two hens every afternoon who made this pomelo as their house during the night. They stayed here during the night, and then early morning they go somewhere else to find food. So what I did is I feed them. I give them food early in the morning and late in the afternoon, and then the cycle goes on until there was a time that a rooster of our neighbor always comes and visit the two hens that we have. So from that time up to this point in time, we have already about more or less 100 chickens out of the two hens that we have. The main problem here in the farm is that there are a lot of predators, and the number one predator here are ravens. Early this morning, there are two chicks being eaten by these ravens, and there was even a time that about 21 of our chicks were attacked by these ravens. And that's a sad event for us uh, farmers taking care of native chickens. I am encouraging you guys to take care of native chickens because about feeds, dili man sila kayo gastuso, and then at the same time, if naa kay mga leftover sa imuhang balay like mga rice ingana ba, so pwede nilang kanon sa gulan ra nimo og feeds. And nindot kayo, it's because they are providing you with food. It's either meat or egg. So hope you like the video guys, and if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Dagang salamat. Happy farming. Four, 4 out of 5 chicks. This is the reason behind why it is good to have a free range chickens. Aside from the meat that they produce, we can also get eggs out of it. Oh, we have another chicken nesting here. See? Wow. This is why I love free range chicken so much. They produce good eggs because they live a stress-free chicken life. So there you go. One of our chickens lay her egg near the function hall. Good thing we are still under GCQ as of the moment, so there will be no disturbances. I don't know how many eggs are there. Uh, Maybe I could make a video later on counting how many eggs are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 eggs. We have another chicken having 5 chicks. Chicken, show us your chicks. Chicken. There you go, one of the 5 chicks. Yesterday this hen has 5 chicks, but sad to say early this morning she only has 4 because chicks at this age are very vulnerable to a lot of predators in the area, and also with the changing weather. I guess I have to transfer this chick somewhere. They often stayed in this area, and as you can see, there's a lot of vegetation, and we don't know if there are snakes lurking somewhere, or monitor lizard. This hen originally has 5 chicks, and now she has only 4. This was the hen that laid 17 eggs, and only 6 chicks were hatched, and 3 days later another 2. However, those 2 chicks did not make it, and of the 6 original chicks, only 5 survived, and hopefully all these chicks will grow and mature. And this is our new hen. She has newly hatched chicks. Originally she has 5 chicks, but unfortunately 2 of those chicks were killed by snakes. Out of 8 chicks, only 5 survived. Out of 5 chicks, only 4 survived.